1080 Gurneys Eagle. Of course, beautiful corner lot. I like the feel of this neighborhood. It feels safe and well kept. Move satellite dish. Three-key screen door and front door, comma. The walls are a neutral, soft color, which my eyes need to adjust. I can't tell if it's gray or tan, which is good because it means it's nice and neutral. Some patchwork here and there. Beautiful kitchen. Looks like these may have been stained. Not positive. These are the correct blinds. Beautiful undermount sink. We could get a gooseneck though. These are the interior blinds that are in the pane. Oh, this is nice. So you have so much concrete, plus the fake grass, plus the additional pavers and rock. Nice. You don't have a lot of people staring into your backyard. Oh, a bedroom downstairs with an ensuite. Oh, the flooring looks really nice, by the way. It looks like it was installed well, and it looks to be in really good condition. That being said, a little bit of a weird transition here. We could just use a little transition strip. It looks like these were stained as well. So we have a towel bar. The walls are darker in here. Maybe replace that shower head, but everything looks really nice. Okay. If I were a light switch, okay. So remove water softener. Chamberlain garage opener. Carpet looks good. It's a nice speckled version. No transition strip either, and little gaps there between the wall, but it doesn't, I don't think it really affects the feel of the property. The property feels really nice and well kept. Those are stained as well. So we have a 3-prong. Okay. Blinds seem fine. Touch up closet doors. Repaint this room. Carpet looks good. Okay. Carpet looks good. We have closet door guides. It's kind of hard to slide open. Pretty straightforward. All the doors look like they need to be repainted. Awesome large loft area with the right blinds that look pretty good. And a closet in the loft. That's great. Maybe repaint that attic access. And I guess you could repaint this room. Carpet looks good. Interesting. Okay, so this is not tile. These cabinets look pretty good. They're not stained. Okay, that's it.